This is Engineering Marvels. We use our fingers to operate all sorts of electronic devices through what are known as touchscreens. We make calls on our smartphones, tell the check-in kiosk at the airport no thanks to a seat upgrade, scroll through social media news feeds on our tablets. This technology has been around for many decades, but not until fairly recently has it become the routine way to communicate with our electronic devices. The first touchscreens appeared in the 1960s. The technology grew and developed, leading to a format in the next decade known as resistive touch. Here the screen is something like a sandwich. The top layer, the part you press with your finger or a stylus, is made of a flexible transparent material, often plastic, and coated on its underside with a sheet of clear conductive material. A transparent but more rigid bottom layer is also coated with conductive material on its upward face. Small invisible spacers keep the two layers slightly apart. Below all of this is the liquid crystal display, or LCD, that shows the visual information you need. Because the layers above it are transparent, you can see the LCD. The two ends of each conductive sheet are connected to a low voltage power source, but the connections are made so that current flows in the two plates at 90 degrees to each other. Since the conductive material also provides some resistance to electric current, the voltage drops from one side to the other. In very rapid order, current is applied alternately to one sheet and then the other. The one without current is, for an instant, used much like a voltmeter, measuring the amount of voltage drop across the other at the point where the pressure you apply with your finger brings the two layers in contact. Because the voltage drop across each conductive sheet is proportional to the distance from one side to the other, it's possible to know where you're applying pressure. Do this in the side-to-side and up-and-down directions in quick succession, and the device's microprocessor knows where you're touching. And because it also knows where the icons, keys, and photos are on the LCD below, it knows what you want to activate. Pretty clever stuff. But while resistive touch is still used, many of today's electronic devices, including smartphones, rely on a somewhat different technology called capacitive touch, which is ironically the very first touchscreen format evolved. Find out how that works in a future episode on this touchy topic. Engineering Marvels is a joint production of the Frank H. Dotter White College of Engineering at Texas A&M University Kingsville and South Texas Public Radio. Past episodes are available online at tamuk.edu/engineering. I'm Jason Martin.